Hi guys, Radio Kid Seb here, and today I'm unboxing a GX Ultra Shiny booster box from Korea. I got this from eBay. It was about $25. Don't know how much that is in English. Bit too late to have a look and see it, but let's do this. I crossed out that just because it said address and all email and that stuff, so let's get into this. So let's open this. All that bubble wrap. I'm popping it, but I'm not sure you guys will be able to hear it. But it's so satisfying. Unwrap. Oh, I just nudged you, camera. Sorry about that. Unwrap all of it. Oh yeah. So much mess. Now, I think we're getting to the box. Oh, so much bubble wrap. There's so much, it just knocks to the camera. Now, we are here, and we have seen the Ultra Shiny booster box. This is so cool. Put that bubble wrap over there. Get out of here, bubble wrap. Look at how cool this is. It's got all of the shiny Pokemon. It's got shiny Stakataka, shiny Zygarde, shiny Lycanroc, shiny Buzzwole, shiny Rayquaza, shiny Charizard, shiny Ho-Oh, shiny Espeon. Man. So I'm going to open up the box, but not opening up any of the packets. So yeah. Oh, it is sellotaped on. It's very cool. Man, this is so exciting. So, we can get this off. We could be able to do it. Come on, you can do it. I think, yeah, it's sellotaped. I'm dumb. I couldn't see this. I couldn't see the sellotape. And my nails just don't do it. Scissors. Snip, snip. Remember, hold the scissors by here, and scissors are sharp, so just, yeah. Man, I'm so dumb. This might take me a minute. I guess let's just, oh my goodness. Okay then. Where does this sellotape end? Oh, okay, I think I've got it. I've got it. Okay, by the way guys, we hit 3 likes on this video. I'll open 3 packets of this tomorrow. It's said to have 15 packets in total. So yeah, it's going to be awesome. Come on, sellotape. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. Come on, sellotape. Do it. Yeah. I'm strong. If only this camera had time lapse on it, I'd be able to do a really cool time lapse of this, but no. Man, I'm sorry if this is really boring for you guys. Yes, me. Taking off some sellotape. Yes, we have done it. We have peeled off the sellotape. Oh yeah, let's, by the way, pop that sellotape over there. Accidentally got a bit off there. So this is the artworks. We got us Ninetales, Alolan Marowak, Mimikyu, Cosmog, or Nebby, Alolan Executor with a ginormous neck, and Showman. So yeah, let's open this up. Oh man. Oh yeah, I think we actually are meant to open it up from not at the top. How do I do this? There's a little tab in here that you press and then it comes off. You know the ones I mean. But yep, you know I can't do it. Oh my goodness, I see the packs. I see them. Oh, I need to open it like this. But how do I do it? Do the scissors got to do it? I don't know. I'm trying not to damage this box at all as well. So. If I just do that. See, I'm not meant to take off the lid, am I? Am I? Oh my god, I am a dum-dum. Okay, it's back there. Unless we're meant to open it from the top and then push out. So there's more, even more sellotape. That's why it's not working. There's more sellotape. There's no sellotape. Is that sellotape? No, that's not sellotape. The amount of sellotape that's on these. I'm just so excited. Oh, is this how you do it? I don't know. Is there anybody here that can read that? Translate all that for me. Translate. So if I can get this bit, these are 100% official, and 100% awesome. 7 minutes into the video already. Wow, 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 wow. Why does time take up so much time? Time. Okay. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. Okay. Crisis averted. No more, I can't see. There's another, there's another piece. No, it's not, oh it is another piece. Oh no, it's not another piece. What is it? It's, oh my goodness. I just won, so if I push down on this, is it gonna, yes, we did it. Okay then, and then we gotta, push on these ones to open it. Guys, I'm sorry this. How am I oh, I feel so bad, I feel so bad. Should we just admire one of these packs? Oh my god, these are so amazing. So how cool these are. And it has the old energies here and long foil or whatever they're called. Very thin, very thin. And we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, 15 packs. I'm just going to try and open this. Do we have to... We get... Oh no. I feel like... I'm so frustrated with myself for just doing that. That won't work. Obviously. I don't know what to say. I'm just trying to make this a bit funny and stuff. Are you meant? Yeah, you're meant to take the top off like that. Oh, we're doing it. Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. We're doing it. No, not like that. Make it. No. Don't say this is happening. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna solve this. We're gonna solve this. Don't worry, we're gonna solve this. I promise you. Woo! Once again, that's averted, and then bring them packs around, and then pop that in there. Yes! We've done it. Look at this. Man! That is so cool. And then obviously you go like, pack number 1. What? Oh! Yeah! Oh! So yeah, if you did enjoy it, leave a like. This is so cool. Subscribe if you're new. This video was so cool. And there's no barcode on there. So sad, but there's a barcode there. Subscribe if you're new. 3 likes, remember. 3 packs tomorrow. And yeah, look at all these ultra shiny packs we got here. So yeah, see you bros later. Bye.